your time as we are having a crunch of time. But my topic is more towards geographical information system rather than the traditional data security, what we are talking since the morning. But I will try to converge or to amalgamate few of the points where we two meet each other. Yeah. So, ESRI Inc. is the global leader in geographical information system technology, which is based out at Redlands, California, US. And we at ESRI India, since 1996, have been serving our government customers. Uh, Next slide, please. Which are in various verticals, as you can see. We are serving central and state government, defense, then fleet management, transportation, Indian railways, and a lot more. So we have our office presence throughout India, and we are based out at our headquarters at Noida. Next. So what we offer in ESRI India managed services, basically there are two combinations which we serve over here. ESRI India cloud managed services, which is called as EMCS, and plain managed services also. So in this, we provide infrastructure management to the users because it has been found and being complained by our customers that they are having the software, but they do not have the manpower to handle that thing. So we provide that infrastructure management, then app and data management, security compliance. So we are ISO 27001 compliant, and we are in a process of moving to SOC 2 soon enough. CMMI 3 we have already acquired, and we are on a process to CMMI 5. So we provide monitoring and support. So we have our own solution, ArcGIS Monitor. And we also use cloud native technologies such as Azure Monitor, PRTG, or AWS Monitor. We have decent SLAs and which are been in line with the MITRE approved guidelines. Can we have the next slide, please? So these are few of the our presence over the globe where we are serving these managed cloud services, and we are giving them to our customers who are into the fleet management or to utility networks, manufacturing, and your port management as well, where they are having 24/7 production systems, and we are maintaining them around the clock. Can we have the next? So what we offer, we have ESRI certified as well as cloud certified professionals in our team, and we are flexible with all the options. Like if the user is having their own cloud, we can support them on managed services. If the user want us to procure us to give the cloud as well as managed services, we are okay with that. And even if they want some private cloud also, apart from the public cloud such as AWS, Azure, or GCP, or government cloud, like we have an MOU with Railtel, which is an Indian Railways PSU. And like in the pre-lunch, it was discussed digital highways. So similarly, this Railtel is also having a large network of internet along the railway tracks. So we have an exclusive MOU with Railtel. So those government institutions who are focused on security and they want that, oh, no, we do not want to go to public cloud and we want it on a government cloud only, then we have an option of Railtel. Can we have the next slide, please? So these are some of the basic components we are offering as a part of this service. On the left side, what you are seeing, it is part of our standard service, and on the right side, it is an add-on, or you can say the advanced services, like help desk support, 24/7 monitoring, backup recovery, then high availability disaster recovery. These are part of as our exclusive and professional services. Can we have the next slide, please? So in the gamut of all the cloud landscape vendors, we are having our tie-ups with AWS, Azure, GCP, and in government we have an MOU with Railtel, and we are open with all the other private cloud providers also, such as Alibaba or Oracle and IBM as well. Next, please. So these are some of our offerings which we are giving. Since this is our desktop solution, but the customers were having issues that they were not having GPU enabled system. So now we are giving these solutions on the cloud as well through browser services. So it is OS independent. Now we are using AWS AppStream and Azure VDI services through which we are giving our desktop solution as a on the browser, so they can see it on Linux or Mac or Windows, wherever. Next, please. This is our standard solution on Railtel clouds, where we are giving a multi-machine architecture to the our clients, and we are offering it on Windows as well as RHEL. So the user get these 4 machines as a part of this bundle. This is our another bundle which is on public cloud with AWS and Azure, where we are giving it as platform as a service. We are giving here on Ubuntu and Windows. Next, please. We have one more solution which I have not mentioned over here. That is our SaaS solution, software as a solution, but that is hosted in US and it is FedRAMP certified, which is the gold standard, you can say, for the federal government standards are being followed over there. Now, this is our newest product to leverage or harness the power of cloud, which is ArcGIS for Kubernetes. So this is basically based upon a containerized or microservices based system, wherein you get the benefits of scalability, resiliency, and manageability. Next, please. So this solution is available on Azure AKS, Amazon EKS, then Google Cloud GKE, and like in the afternoon session with the Red Hat, they were saying about the OpenShift. So it is available on OpenShift platform as well for those customers who want to do it on premise. Rest 3 are available on cloud. Next, please. So these are the current versions what we are supporting with 11.1, but 11.2 our version is on the release, and you will get a higher version of Kubernetes version on this one. Next, please. So these are the basic problems why we brought in ArcGIS on Kubernetes. That is high effort administration, then slow and expensive hardware, then wasted resources, inflexible architecture, manual or complicated recovery. So to cater all those things, we brought this containerized solution, which has got all the solution of automatic backup and recovery, auto scaling. So if there is a load on the system, the system scales automatically. And whenever the load is released, it will again shrink back to the original one. Next, please. Next. Skip this. Next. Yes. Yeah. Next one. Yeah. So we, apart from the cloud, the managed services, we provide the cloud to cloud or multi-cloud migration, as well as on-premise to cloud migration also we are providing. So there are basically 3 techniques we are applying, like rehost, refactor, and re-architect. Rehost is the simplest one, and re-architecting is the complex one. Rehost is as is migration, whatever you are running on premise will be migrated, whereas re-architecting is you provide us the load again, and based upon that we will recreate your architecture to suit your needs. Next, please. These are the basic services we are giving: monthly automated operating system patch updates, highly availability architectures, then automated regular system database backups, health monitoring, vulnerability assessments every month, and then periodic testing for the disaster recovery as well. Next, please. These are our system monitoring tools, which are a few of our native ArcGIS monitors. So you can see here we can monitor if there are any configuration changes, resource utilization changes, trends, performance, then network in and out, hardware, storage, how the services are performing. All these things are coming in system monitoring. Next, please. Same here, whatever the tools I have talked about. Next, please. And we have a robust CAG system, change assessment system, so that whenever a user wants a change in the system from the initial phase, whether it is low impact changes such as they want like patching of the OS or patching of the software, or from high impact changes which require downtime such as upgradation system to a larger or to a newer version. So all those things are being taken care as a part of the robust CAG system. That's all from my side.
Thanks, Dr. Nitin Chauhan, Senior Project Manager, Managed Cloud Services from ESRI India. I request Shri Kel Meena, IAS Project Director, MPACDC, if you can just kindly come on stage for once and hand over a small token of appreciation to Dr. Chauhan. Huge round of applause for him, please.